Everyone, welcome back to another Vapor Honda Technologies video. Today we're going to do something that's pretty unique because it's not something that I see every day, and that's going to be testing 1200 aluminum oxide. Now, abrasive sizing is kind of weird because the larger the number, the smaller the actual particle size. This stuff's around 10 micron, I believe, so it is very, very small. We've done a little bit of testing with it, and it actually does roughen the surface. And we're gonna do some testing against glass bead to show you guys what our normal, very smooth surface looks like compared to this 1200 aluminum oxide finish. So let's get to it. As you can see here, we've got the untreated sheet metal side on this left-hand side. You can still see the lines in it. In the center, we've got the treated section of 1200 aluminum oxide. You can see that it's been roughened slightly, but you can actually still see the lines of the sheet metal behind it, and I think that's just due to the particle size. And then on the right-hand side, we have glass bead. You can see that it's much smoother than the rest, and it also has a brighter finish. If we look at it closely, which we'll put some pictures on here, the aluminum oxide side almost has a matte finish, and it looks very different from the normal sheet metal side, but under the microscope, they look fairly similar. The glass bead, on the other hand, is much brighter and it's also much smoother. So let's go ahead and do the surface roughness testing. Your normal untreated side was 0.15. The glass bead section was actually 0.4, and then the 1200 aluminum oxide was 0.25. These results are kind of what we were expecting because, again, the 1200 being very small, it's going to roughen, but it's going to be a very minimal amount. The glass bead being a large abrasive, it's going to smooth the surface, but it's going to leave kind of larger hills and valleys. If surface roughness testing is something that you guys want to see, let us know in the comments. We are happy to try it on any metal with any type of abrasive just so that you guys can be informed. And again, if you need to see this on your part, we do offer free application testing. Just head to our website, it's in the very center. You guys ship us the parts, we'll blast them for you and send them right back your way so that you can see if wet blasting is applicable for your project. Again, thank you guys for watching. Please let us know what you guys want to see. Put it in the comments. We love responding to you guys, and we hope you have a great day. Peace.